What's up guys, Toned Up. Just want to give you a quick update on my tractor. I got most of the part on the front torn apart so I can get to all those area and paint them. Let me give you a closer look. I got the engine block painted along with area underneath the gas tank. I think that's the transmission. And front area here, I gotta clean up and paint it. This power steering mechanism right here, I need to take it apart because it's leaking on the bottom. Then I'll paint the cover when it's done, along with some of the hard to get area. There's a lot of grime and dirt I need to scrape out in those areas, so it'll take me a minute. Most of the upper sides of the engine and transmission, got them painted. The bottom I can get to later on, and I'll do that later. These are some of the harder area that I can't get to yet. I'll work on them. And these area here, even after I install the front loader, I still have access to it, so I'll do that later. So the purpose of this short video, I want to show you how to remove, I believe this is like a fuel injector, and this one I clean up. I want to paint the upper engine area, and this kind of in the way, so I can't get to other nook and crannies down there. And also I want to give a good cleaning and inspect all these injector heads. They don't come out easily because they're all rusted in there. So I'm going to show you how to remove them somewhat easy. So let me grab my tools. Since I removed most of the parts on top here, I have already unbolted these nuts right here, but you can't get it out, it won't come out. You would need some penetrating fluid and a hammer that has looks similar to this one here with the nail puller on one end. So what you want to do, you want to tap it. Whenever it sees, it doesn't move at all. You want to tap it back and forth. You want to break the seal because it's rusted in there. Whenever it's not turning at all. It's turning a little bit right now. Now it's turning. Now it's broken loose. So insert this into the bottom. Make sure don't hit the rubber seal on the bottom. You want to reuse it. You don't want to damage it. So put it underneath here. Support it real good. And you want to bang from behind. Bang from behind. Just hit it. And do it to the opposite side. You don't want to pull it and slip. Then you're gonna either end up hurting yourself or damage some other parts in there. And I don't mind scratching up the paint over here because I'm painting it. If you worry about scratching the paint, put like a pad underneath here. Stuck in there really good. There you go, it popped up. You're gonna work evenly on both sides. And sometimes it doesn't hurt to tap back and forth a little bit. Oh, Now's a good time to work that penetrating fluid underneath there. And just carefully tap it back down. And this way the fluid can get in there and loosen things up. Now it's up. And go ahead and wipe up all the excess spray that I got on here. So now it's a good time to go and clean up the area, scrape up any kind of debris you got in there, because you don't want to pull it out. Now the hole is open, and when you clean the dirt and everything, it'll fall right into the cylinder. Go ahead and work it. See all this dirt and everything in there. That should be good enough. And let's go and remove it. See how dirty it is? You got rust in here. That's why it's so hard to get it out. Now it's loose. I'm gonna give it a quick wipe. And just put some paper back in there so nothing will fall inside. Let me do the same for this one. So here's another look. You can see it's all rusted. So I want to clean it up as much as I can. I'm going to remove this rubber seal right here. If it doesn't come out, don't force it, because the rust might be in the way. If that's the case, we can clean it, then slide it out later. So I got a metal brush right here. I'm going to spray some degreaser on here. So here's all cleaned up. It look a lot better than before. I got 3 of them removed so far. I think this copper wash right here comes off. There's like grime stuck in between it, so I'm gonna try to get it out later on and clean it. Like I said, I'm not sure I'm gonna paint it or just leave it this color. If I do leave this color here, maybe I spray a clear coat over it. Yeah, so that's how you remove the injectors on a cage tractor. This is a 431. I believe all the cage tractor like 530 and all the diesel one has similar setup. So I hope this video helped you remove some of those stubborn stuck injectors. That's pretty much it for now for this video. And I still got a lot of work I need to do to this tractor. Just like taking things apart and clean it and paint them. Once I'm done with it, then I got the front loader I got to install. They're gonna be pretty hard because it's so heavy. So I haven't got there yet. So I'm not even sure how I'm gonna start. But anyway, that's enough for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Later.